What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing to you how you can open a Stripe account if you're a non-resident or you're living outside of the United States and your country is not supported by Stripe. The way that you go about this is to register an LLC and then you open your Stripe account with your LLC information. So what I'll be doing in this video is that I'll be combining two videos. One on how to get your LLC and your EIN, and two, a video on how you can open your Stripe account step by step. So with that said guys, let's get right into it. So the first step is that you're going to decide on which state you're going to register or incorporate your business in. A lot of people use Delaware because it's a no tax state. So make sure you do the necessary research on all the states and see which one is best for you. Now the next step is for you to decide on a registered agent. Now a registered agent is just a name given to an entity or business that will register the business in the state that you choose on your behalf, right? So in other words, it's just a company that will register your business in USA. That's literally it. Now once you incorporate your business, you can apply for your EIN because now you have your articles of incorporation, right? So you can use this to apply for your EIN. Now if you have a social security number, it may take you 3 to 5 business days to get your EIN, right? However, if you do not already have a social security number, it may take you up to 2 weeks before you can get your EIN. You can apply for the EIN for yourself or you can use the registered agent to do this for you. Now once you have your EIN, you can open a bank account with Mercury.com. So Mercury is an online bank and these are mainly geared towards startup companies, right? So with that said, let's head over to my laptop so you can get a little bit more hands-on view of what you should do and some of the fees that you will be expected to pay. Let's just go onto Google and search for a registered agent in the United States. Now as I search registered agents, look, one comes up for Wyoming, one for Texas, right? One for Florida, one for Delaware. So let's select Delaware. And when you look at the results, there are a lot of them, right? So it doesn't really matter which one you go with, it all boils down to the fee. So let's select Delaware registered agent. So you're going to select start your LLC today, right? And here you're going to fill out the information for your business. So your business type would say LLC. Let's say MR Media. Do you have a name reservation? No. Where would you like your non-registered agent mail to be delivered? We're going to select our address in Delaware. Our Delaware address, right? So maybe you're not going to get a lot of mail, so you can go with the free option that says 10 mail docs per year, right? That should be sufficient for most people because they're not going to be dealing with documents, right? So under notify your attorney of lawsuit, we're going to say no because we ain't going to get in lawsuit, right? State time processing, we're going to go with the free option, right? Delaware annual tax, we can uncheck this option for now. Now for your LLC information, is it a member or manager managed? More often than not, it's gonna be a member managed. Here you're going to complete your information, right? Now for optional service, you may not want to go with any phone service, and here you're going to provide your billing information. So the total cost for using this agent would be $164. So once you complete your card information here and make the payment, you can then log into your account. Now once your business is incorporated and you get your documents, the next step would be for you to apply for your EIN, and you will see that option from within the portal. Like I've mentioned before, if you have a social security number, it may cost you about $50, and if you do not have a social security number, they may charge you approximately $200. However, you can do this social insurance number free for yourself, right? Let's search for apply for EIN USA, right? So here I'm going to select this option here, apply for employer identification number online. So the first step is to determine your eligibility, right? So you're now eligible because you have incorporated your business, right? Please note that you must complete the application in one session. You'll not be able to save and return at a later time, right? The next step will be to submit your application. So you just hit apply online now, then you begin your application, and then you'll go through the relevant steps to complete your application. So here, let's say we select. So on this page, you'll pretty much go through the relevant steps to complete your application. Now, this would be the process if you already have a social security number. This process may be a little bit different when you don't have a social security number. So let's look at what it looks like. So when you scroll down further on the page, apply by telephone for international applicants, right? So you have to make a call or you'd have to fax in your application. Now once you have your EIN, the next step would be for you to open your online bank account if you need to do one. One of the best options, like I've mentioned, is Mercury Bank, right? So you just go to your Mercury Bank, the link will be in the description of this video, and you complete the registration process. Very easy to do, guys, right? Nothing complicated. This is the easiest part of it. So to summarize, what you need to do is decide on which state you want to register in, right? Then you decide on the registered agent that you're going to use, and if you want, you do a comparison in terms of the fees, what they will charge you. Once you do that, the next step is to apply for your employer identification number. This is essential for opening your bank account. Stripe is a payment system that allows you to safely accept payments from your customer, such as credit and debit card or even Afterpay. So that's just to really name a few, right? A great platform, very easy to use, and I'll be showing you step by step how you can open your account. So with that said, let's head over to the laptop for a quick tutorial. So to get started, you want to go to stripe.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're there, specify the email address that you want to sign up the account with, your first name, and the country that you are registering from. Now please keep in mind that there are just a few countries that are supported by Stripe, and if you look in the drop down list, you'll see the list of countries that are supported, right? Now if you're in a country where you would like to use Stripe, I would recommend that you register an LLC in the United States with a registered agent, and then you can use that company to open your account with Stripe. So that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video. So you're going to specify your email address, your full name. Here I'm using my company's name, the countries that your company is registered in, and here I'm using my password. And then you specify your password. Then select create account. So here I'm using LastPass to store my password. So I'm going to add password to my LastPass vault. Now I need to check my email address to verify my address. So I'm just going to launch Outlook. So this is my confirmation email. So I'm going to select confirm email. And once you have confirmed your email, I have the option to activate payments, right? It's a little bit different. Let me step back a little bit and show you why. Let me cancel payments. So if you're signed in without activating your email, then you'll be landed on this page, right? Now in order to activate your account and complete the registration, select continue. So here you're going to specify your business location and your business type. So I'm going to say company. Select your business structure. I'm going to say multi-member LLC. I'm going to select continue. Here you're going to specify your business legal name, specify your EIN, the doing business as it's optional, and you're going to specify your United States address. So you're going to specify your industry which you're in, specify your business website, and a product description. So I'm just going to go to my website here, and I'm just going to grab this description from my website. So I just pasted it in the product description. So in your case, if you're opening a personal account, then it will be asking for a social security number and not EIN, right? So I'm just going to scroll down and select continue. So on this page, you're going to verify you represent this business. So you're going to fill out your personal information here. And then once you do that, select continue. So if you do a partnership and the partner owns more than 25%, right? Then you'll need to add their information here. However, I'm going to select continue with no owners. So here you're going to describe how you fulfill your orders. On average, how long after paying will the customer typically receive their goods? So let's say within 2 weeks, then select continue. So here you're going to add some public details for your company. Now this is the information that will be displayed on like your credit card statement. For the shortened descriptor, you can add additional information. So I'm going to say coaching, right? This is optional. Here you're going to specify the contact number for your business, and for customer support address, you can keep this as your business address, right? Now here I'm going to select continue. Now here's where you're going to add your banking information. So if you're not senior bank, you can enter banking details manually. So here you're going to specify the routing number, accounting number, and then you confirm the accounting number. Once you have entered your banking details, select save. So my bank account details has been successfully added. Now the next step is to select continue. So now you need to keep your account safe. So for this, I'm going to use an authenticator app. So I'm going to select this authenticator. So from the Play Store or App Store, you can download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm using Google, so I'm just gonna scan the code code from within the app. Now once you have scanned this QR code within the app, you will see a number generated. So let's select continue, and this is where you'll be specifying the random number. Each time this number will change. So once you have downloaded and saved this code, make sure you save it in a secure place, right? So once you have done that, select I have saved my backup code. Now select done. Then select continue. Automated sales tax calculation. So you're going to select your product category from the drop down. I'm going to select consulting services and then select continue. On this page, they're asking you for you to show your customers your climate commitment. So here I'm going to select no thanks. Now just review and then finish your information. So once you've reviewed your information and everything looks good, then select submit. So our registration has been completed successfully. Your information is in review. Thank you for your response. We'll contact you if we need additional information. So basically they will contact you if they need additional information when they are reviewing your documents. So the next step would be to choose the option on how you want to collect your payments. So if you want to see additional tutorials, please comment the tutorial that you want to see in the description of this video. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.